How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get to see what the mystery mascara was. It was launched at Sephora today. So that's what we're going to be revealing. And I also got some October BoxyCharm dates that you might need to know. And Charm Room is open. So make sure if you got any charms, see what kind of items you can get with the charms that you have. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some BoxyCharm Charm Room items. Well, thank you so much, Annie Medina to Jada. I hope I keep saying it right. I'm probably like butchering it every time I say it, so I do apologize if I am, Annie. Anyways, Annie says, hey Mandy, Alamore Brush Trio. Annie, honey, I'm with you on that. Those brushes look amazing, and I'm a brush freak. I love brushes, so those I would love to have. So I'm excited about those brushes too, Annie, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're gonna have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink, but it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, if you guys remember, I posted a video about this and it was all over Instagram where BoxyCharm was sending out this mystery mascara to people to try out. Now, it had no name on the tube. It was just the tube, and you know, I didn't know if it was just the tube that it was placed in. I didn't know if it was going to have like different kind of packaging whenever it was revealed what brand it was. But guys, we do know what it is, so I'm going to show you the little clip I seen on Instagram and then I'll come back.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, if you've seen, it is the Sass the Big Clean Mascara. Again, this launched at Sephora today. It is $26. And guys, this has got like hair care stuff in it. So, you know, your lashes are hair, so it makes sense. So I'm quite eager to see what people think about this now that they know what brand it is and what it has in it. So if you were one of those people that got that mascara, let me know, what did you think about it? I know I got a couple of people that told me that they received it and that they really liked it. So I'm excited to see if this is coming in a future box. And of course, you know it's got to be a future spoiler. Now what month and what box it's going to be in is still not specified, but you know it's got to be coming. They wouldn't have worked so hard to send out this mascara, doing this whole get up about a mystery mascara, if they weren't going to put this in a box. So I'm excited to see when it's coming. So guys, let me know what you think about this mascara down in the comment section. Now guys, I do have some October BoxyCharm dates for you. First of all, I do want to start off by saying that the Charm Room is now open, so you could go and spend your charms. Now for some October dates. So first of all, the add-ons early access will be open Monday, September 14th. Make sure you mark these down in your calendars, guys. And then October choice for the base box early access will be open Monday 14th, and then choice for the premium box will be open Thursday, September 17th. Again, mark these down in your calendar. These are dates you do not want to miss. And of course, as soon as I reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked down below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Paula Moore. Paula says, hope you are okay. Paula, I'm doing the best I can, honey. And I'm just so grateful I have people like you that check up on me and y'all have my back. Paula, I can't be more grateful for you, honey. And I really appreciate you watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And guys, as for an update, a life update, I'm going to try to get it posted today. I do have a lot of new updates. Not good news, of course, you know, with my luck, it never is. And I know I've been kind of slow about posting up updates and everything. I get so much hate on those videos that it's amazing how the normal person can take so many hate comments. But my health has been rapidly declining. I have never felt so weak as I have in the last week or so. I've had the nurse call me with some kind of upsetting news. So with my health on top of bills and eviction, and it's just really starting to take a toll on me, and I could just feel the effect of it. So when you line all that up with negative comments, it just doesn't make you want to post updates. But I'm still going to. I'm going to make myself do it. Because, you know what? I do have true supporters out there that do care about what's going on in my life. And that's who I post for. I don't post for the people who don't like what I post. They could go to hell for all I care. And I'm not going to let it bother me. I'm not going to let it get to me. Because that's all I do is I let stuff get to me. And it just builds up and builds up and builds up. But anyways, guys, I will try to have that up today. If it ain't up today, it'll be up tomorrow. But I'm going to shoot for today. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.